Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to S&M video of the night. Feels so amazing when your expectations get met. So let's see what I talked about yesterday in yesterday's video. Tell you anything about it, it depends on how you behave while moving to the downside, because if you look at the EMAs are really shoot to the upside. So I do expect some big retracement down to probably even $1 or to this 55 EMA on the 4-hour. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I did make a video yesterday on S&M saying run away because we could retrace down, and perfectly we did that. And I was never into the investment, into the buying side, or rather I was into the selling side. I talked about the shooting star, and we're still looking to continue lower perhaps. So what I want to do is dive into the 1 hour time frame, and let's see where exactly are we gonna go and stop. So the following is a very quick update on S&M if someone is wondering what's going on. So yesterday clearly told you, man, never buy something that shoots up like that. By the way, I think the market sentiments are bad just because you have a coin that pumped out like this all of a sudden. This is not like scam pumps, and this is to make the investors of the coin themselves being rich but making other people poor by, you know, dumping it to the downside. Maybe shorting wise amazing, but longing wise was never a good idea in that stage. And if you want to learn how to be a smart investor the way I'm doing it, because pretty much sure a lot of people are turning out to be really smart with this course that I have. So check it out. The link is in the description, and the signal is also open for those people who want to join. But one thing, back to the video, is that I want to show you a bear flag very quickly, and the bear flag has been made on the 1 hour time frame. And this is currently what I expect out of it. So you came down like this, move sideways. Actually, image-wise, this is what S&M did, okay? So came down, move a little bit sideways, break down, and you're looking for that thing to continue. So if I do zoom in into the pattern itself right there, this is what you're looking for, okay? So all you did is you start to make that flow to the downside, and that's your ugly looking bear flag. Now there could be chances of making one small pump back up to 1.75, get rejected at the 1.75 and continue lower, but that's not really guaranteed or anything. It doesn't matter. How to invalidate the bear pattern? You need to come above the flag itself. So you need to go above $2. So if you go above $2, there could be chances of moving higher back up to even $3.8. Now keep that in mind. That's invalidation. Unless it doesn't happen, the move is to the downside. So basically that's your bear flag. Where do we go from there? You just take the pole, the flag pole, from the top to the bottom right there, and from wherever you're breaking out, then you're looking for a continued downtrend back to 0.2343, and that is scary as heck. I don't even believe I'm saying a coin that just went up to $13 in the next coming few days goes back down to 0.24. Imagine investing and buying right on top right there just to see your coin going down again to where it came from. Really scary times out there. So be careful, guys. Hope this video really saves a lot of people out there. And if you're interested in signals, because the next 5 months will be really interesting in the signals, I do recommend you to join. The link is in the description of the video. 9 days to accept the entries. See you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.